Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, another delivery from eBay. If I remember correctly, this is a Marx 400. Picked this up on eBay for $7, and I was the only bidder. Advertised for repair, of course, as is virtually everything I buy. So, let's open this up. Uh-oh. Horrors. Styrofoam peanuts. My nemesis. Hold on a minute. I hate styrofoam peanuts. Good packing job, I gotta admit that. Alright. There is the locomotive. Let's get this out of the way. Oh, right. Let's see. See what we have here. Anyway, Marx 400. $7. I was the only bidder on this. Now it's missing the rear mounting plate for the motor. So the motor in the photos was flopping around just like that. So, like I said, don't overlook the junk. So let's pull this motor out of here. This is a standard single reduction motor. All right. Wow. Well, it's not in terrible condition. Pull the camera off the tripod. So, single reduction motor in fair condition, it looks like. It's not frozen. It's stiff. It's been sitting for a long time. So, let me grab some oil. We're going to saturate the pad for the armature, as you see. Let that soak for a second. Flip this over, put one big drop of oil right on the output shaft bearing for the motor. All right, for now, that's good enough. Let's put this on the outside rail and see what happens. So, a Marx 400, missing its rear mounting plate, of course. $7 on eBay. I was the only bidder. All right, let's see what happens. Well, it's really dirty, as you see. Light bulbs burn out. Let's take it around and let it run for a second. Wow. And it just stopped. So this thing's been setting forever. The brushes, I'm sure, are covered in oxide. Usually, if you can get these things to run for a second, as you see, it's already 1,000% better. Throwing sparks everywhere as it goes. That's better. So, was it worth $7? You tell me. Put a new light bulb in this. This is going to run just like new. No doubt about that at all. Once you get them running, the oxide is scraped off the brushes. You can see how the wheel sparking is stopping. Huh, that's strange. There's something here in this. It does not like that spot in the track, that's for sure. All right, take it around again. All right, so a single reduction motor running forward and reverse, $7, and I was the only bidder. Hard to beat that. There's nothing wrong with this at all. It is running just absolutely splendidly. That being a relative term, it's filthy. It's been sitting for decades. I mean, that's obvious. Look at the verdigris built up on the copper. So anyway, a bit of judicious lubrication and cleaning, and this is going to run absolutely splendidly. No doubt about that at all. So, as I always stress, don't overlook the junk. You see these motors on eBay right now selling for 25 bucks, 28 bucks, $35 for a standard single reduction motor. This way you get the entire locomotive for $7, and I haven't done anything to this except put 2 drops of oil on it. So, like I said, a bit of judicious lubrication and cleaning. Clean the brushes, clean the armature, clean the wheels, replace that light bulb, and you have an absolutely perfect running single reduction motor for $7 with an intact body. All I have to do is replace that rear mounting plate. So as you see, it was definitely worth the $7. There's no doubt about that. So anyway, I gotta say it. Don't overlook the junk. Nobody else wanted this thing because it was ugly and it was literally falling apart. But if you have the parts to fix this with, it only takes a second to snap that mounting plate back into the rear of this locomotive. And as you see, it appears to be intact with no damage at all. So I can slide a new rear plate into that, put the motor back in it. I have a running Marx 400 for $7. Really difficult to beat that. So if you need the motor for some other application, this is the way to do it. Even if you use it for parts, it was $7. You can't buy a set of wheels for $7. This is running just absolutely perfectly, and I haven't done anything to it yet. So I'll replace the light bulb, get it cleaned up, lubricate the wheel bearings, the axles, clean and lubricate the armature and the brushes, and this is going to run just like new. So anyway, I just want to do a quick unboxing video on this. Marx 400 eBay, $7, and I was the only bidder. So don't overlook the junk. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.